Welcome. Namaste and warm welcome to Dust Temple once again. I'm Manisha Sandeep, founder of Dust Temple. Trust all of you are doing well. Today, I'm going to talk about the past, the regrets, the weight of carrying the past. Holding on to the regret is like dragging the weight of the past with us everywhere we go. Holding on to regret is like dragging the weight of the past with us everywhere we go, and it drains our energy, leaving less available for life in the present because we are constantly feeding an old issue. This attachment can cause illness, the same way watering a dead plant creates decay. We know that something new and beautiful can grow in that same pot if we only prepare a soil and plant the right seeds. We also know that we can create our lives from our thoughts. So dwelling on the past may actually recreate a situation in our lives where we are forced to make the choice again and again. We can choose to move on right now by applying what we have learned to represent and perhaps even sharing with others, transforming the energy into something that is constructive and creative for ourselves as well as for others. Forgiveness is soothing. It is a soothing balm that can heal regret. In meditation, we can imagine discussing the issue with the self of our past and offering our forgiveness for the choice. In return, we can ask for ourselves forgiveness for keeping them locked in that space of judgment for so long. We may also want to ask forgiveness from anyone else who may have been affected and perhaps offer our forgiveness to them too. By replaying the event in our minds, we can choose a new ending using all that we now know. Imagine that you have actually gone back in the past and you have replayed and made the change, and then say goodbye to it. Feel it. Release your former self with a hug and bring the forgiveness and love back with you to the present. Since we are usually our hardest critics, it is amazing how powerfully healing it can be to ourselves to offer that love to ourselves. Keeping our minds and our energy fully in the present allows us to fuel our physical and emotional healing and well-being today. This action frees our energy to create the dreams we dream for the future. By taking responsibility and action in the present, we can release our hold on the past. Past is past. It can never do anything good for us in the present. But the moment we decide to move on by forgiving ourselves and forgiving the situation, forgiving the others, you are creating space for a better life for yourself. Trust me, people, it can make the mountains move in your life for a better life for yourself, a peaceful and a happy space for yourself. Try doing. Love you all and bless you all.